gentlemen with the handyman lines. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the renovation we just finished. Literally, we touched every surface. You saw the entire porch. We did the deck, the handrails, the door. In here, we actually pulled all the caulk out of the tongue roof here, and we recalked it, primered, and removed any additional paint that was stripping, and completely primered everything, painted everything. We have Sherwin super paint on the walls. We have satin across the bottom and flat up top. We'll walk through here. The office here. Obviously, we did all the transitions, the flooring, the trim. As you look through the house, you'll see quarter round at the base. This is the only room with existing trim that we replicated, because this room was recently renovated. And here we have the bathroom, completely refabbed all the paneling to save money for the owner. This is a rental. We did the light fixtures, vanity, literally everything you see. Brand new vanity, faucet, all the drainage, brand new toilet. And then as I bring in here to check out the kitchen, you'll see obviously old appliances. The whole kitchen ceiling was painted along with every other room in the house. We went through, did the cabinets, sprayed the existing hardware, new vents throughout the house. Again, old range, old refrigerator, but we did carefully dismantle it, remove it for the entire renovation, and then we reassemble everything. We do appliance repair as well, so we're equipped for doing all of that. Here's a look at the finished main bedroom. Things I didn't mention is that we flipped the fan blades throughout the house on the ceiling fans because they match the floor really well. We did blinds throughout the house, detailed every single window, vinyl window, so that they look brand new. And this door actually opened up into the kitchen, so this is one door we completely replaced 100%. Brand new doorknob hinges, everything. We did wood filler and all kinds of caulking and stuff to completely reset this whole door frame using the old existing trim and door frame. But I think it turned out really great. Well, that about sums up the walkthrough on this renovation. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are located in Blount County, Tennessee. If you have a renovation in the area that you would like quoted, please reach out to us. You could find us on Google. Through Google, check out our website, our Facebook page, and here's a couple of before and after pictures of other smaller jobs that we've done, smaller renovations. We really appreciate you watching. God bless.